Good morning. This is day 3 of our awesome trip to Montana. We're about to go and sled some more, right? As the locals say. But we're looking for some rope or something so we can pull each other out if we get stuck again, because we did that a lot yesterday. This guy is always working. He needs a raise. He needs a raise. We made it. We're on our sleds. We're ready to go. Finishing up, getting ready. Mike is over there playing around, ready to have some fun. Say that again.
You guys said you got a signal. I'm gonna jump on a conference call real quick. Give me a second.
The guy that never stops working. We're going off the trail. We might regret this because you see these trees, the treetops are buried. There's a fire.
What?
There's a fire right here.
What, bro? What on earth?
Somebody was camping here.
You're both set it up. Looks like it's take a picture like we did it. Just kidding, you two.
What does this say? We made it to what seems to be the top of the mountain. How high are we? Anybody have the elevation?
We're 9,000 feet.
Woo!
We did 10.9 miles. But that's probably like, as a crow fly, like nothing.
So we're 9,000 feet up. We've gone on some crazy trails and sides of mountains. And we found this spot with all this firewood somebody's chopped and a fire going already. Pretty awesome. So just on top of this mountain. We're gonna eat our lunch. Let me show you these views. Come on, buddy.
You're stuck standing. You gotta stand. Nope.
I don't know how we're going to turn Micah's around.
We're stuck again.
All around. And yours, I don't know where you are.
If you can get,
We're going to have to take it to the trail.
yeah, if you can get mine, my back end to the left, I can get back out, I think.
Okay.
We're stuck.
Dude, this is unreal how deep this is. 3, 2.
So we're pretty stuck. We flipped mine around. Right now they're flipping Steven's around. And then Waylon and Micah are so far back in there, they can't turn around. But they're both stuck. So they're going to try to get through it and meet us on the other side of the trail. So we're going to go back up this trail right here. Super deep snow. This is off the trail. You're not supposed to do this. And this is why. But, you know, Steven wants to find the black diamonds, and Waylon wants to do his own thing and get stuck. He enjoys that. You know you're in deep snow when it's just the treetops sticking out. So we made it back, guys. We got unstuck, all right? And we are, I guess, moseying around the house. Yeah, we're stronger for it. That's right. It was pretty intense. They had to dig Micah out with a shovel. And so anyway, we're gonna go grab some dinner here soon. It's just about wraps up our trip. We've had a lot of fun, a lot of danger, a lot of exciting times, and we'll see you later. He's coming in. He's going through the bushes.
I really thought I'd go faster.
I did too. That would have been awesome.
All right, you didn't make it all the way down. You got to come back up and do it again.
Do it standing. See if you can stand.
I need $20 more.
Peace out, Montana.